Hi everyone, Pete Seifer from Alliant Energy's PowerHouse. With everyone at home to stay safe, there is a lot more laundry to do. Oh man, there is. That means it's easier to use more energy. I want to remind you of some ideas to keep your energy use down. When you're tackling that pile of laundry, make sure you have a full load. Second, you can use cold water. Most of the energy used for laundry is to heat the water. When you use cold water, along with, again, doing full loads of laundry, you can save up to $5 a month. The other benefit is cold water is gentler on our clothes, and isn't that a nice thing to do these days? Hey, this is an easy way to help save energy while we're all staying inside. But let us know of other ideas that you have out there. And as always, stay safe in your PowerHouse.